Hey guys, OPD here. It's another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon workshop. That building right there, that is the world famous Randall Made Knives. I cannot shoot video inside there, but we're going to take a quick look. Stay tuned. Alright guys, getting ready to walk inside the Randall Made Knife showroom and office. Not a whole lot to see in here. They just have a few wall displays and one little counter with some merchandise in it. Here's a OPD, Orlando Police Department display there. These are some of the military knives they made. Survival knives. That's the knife that went into space. There's the little bit of merchandise they have there for sale: hats, mugs, sharpening diamond, strop, book, miscellaneous little, doodads. There's a Victorinox kitchen knife there. This is the display of the process, how they make the knives parts. There's the book for $80. Go back to the display here. Some of the knives that you can order. And of course, I believe they said if you order a knife now, it'll be 6 years. This is the in-between shop. Once it comes out of the back shop, it gets final polishes and final edge sharpening. There's the final edge station, big stone. And the fellow was working on one of those knives, but he stopped when I was taking pictures. Here's a look inside the Randall Made Knives shop. That's the best I could do for insurance purposes, is take a picture through the window. And that just about wraps it up. They are hiring a knife maker. So if you think you're good enough, give them a call. Okay guys, just came out of Randall Knives, Randall Made Knives. That is the shop, the factory, where it all happens right there. Wasn't allowed to do any video inside, but they did allow me to snap a couple photos of the shop through the window at the door. I couldn't go in there for insurance purposes. But this section here are the offices of Randall Knives. But I'm going to hold this out the window and kind of show you where this is located. They used to have orange groves on this property. I'm hoping the wind's not too bad on that, so I'll have to edit it. Yeah, we'll go through the windshield just in case. But all that property over there, all that property belongs to them. And they had orange groves, and then they sold that off, and developers built apartments back there. But it's back here, I'm guessing, a quarter mile off the main road out here. Very nice people, very friendly. And there's anybody knows anything about these Randall Made Knives, you know that there's like a 6-year waiting list to get a knife. But there it is, very simple little place. We're back out on the main road. There's the Randall Made Knives sign there. Kind of rickety, kind of old, but there it is, folks. I'll edit this all together, add some pictures in, and until I see you again, have a beautiful day. Well, there you go, guys. That was my trip to the Randall Knives showroom and display. They do have a museum, but it's only open during the week, and that is their way of limiting the crowd, because it was open on the weekend. You couldn't breathe in there. I hope you guys enjoy this. Hopefully I'll make it to the museum someday. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a beautiful day.